Okay, good morning, everyone, and welcome to our math class. So yesterday we already, we almost done with chapter 3, okay? So I want you to open your math textbook and we will continue the last page for chapter 3. Let me share the page for you. Just give me 1 second. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not textbook, it's workbook. Hold on. I'm sorry. Math workbook. Okay, so open your math workbook on this page, class. Alpha, what page is this? Do you know? Does anyone know what?
34.
Okay, everyone open your math workbook on page number 34. So this is the last page for chapter 3. And after this, we will move on to chapter 5. All right, so class, we have a 3 challenge question over here. So A, B, and C. Number 1, Alpha, can you read letter A?
How many are there is on week?
All right, so for letter A, class, how many hours are there in 1 week? So let's try to identify first how many hours in 1 day. So in 1 day, there is 24 hours, right?
Yes.
In 1 day. So what if 7 days? How many hours in 7 days? Because in 1 week, there are 7 days, right? 7 days is equivalent to 1 week. So how many hours in 1 week or how many hours in 7 days? Does anyone? Okay, Pete, what's the answer?
168 hours.
Okay, let's check your answer, Pete. So the answer for A is 168 hours. Very good. Okay, number 2. Spy, can you read number 2, please? Letter B, I'm sorry, it's letter B. Spy, can you read letter B? Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you read letter B, please?
How many minutes are there in 1 day?
Okay. So how many minutes are there in 1 day? So in one day, we have 24 hours, right? One day, we have 24 hours. And then in 1 hour, there is 60 minutes, or there are 60 minutes. So how many minutes in one day?
Teacher me.
Okay, what's the answer for letter B?
1,440.
Okay, so the answer is 1,440 minutes. Very good, Pete. And letter C. Okay, Conchai, can you read letter C, please?
How many seconds are
Seconds.
there? Seconds are there in 1 hour?
All right, so how many seconds are there in 1 hour? Does anyone know?
Teacher me.
Okay,
3,600. 3,600. 3,600.
okay, so the answer is 3,600 seconds. So there are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. Okay, do you understand, class? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay. All right, very good. So now let's proceed to chapter 5. So get your math textbook. So we already done chapter 1, 2, and 3. So now let's proceed to chapter 5. We will not touch chapter 4, okay? We will proceed to chapter 5. So chapter 5, it's all about multiply and divide numbers up to 10 million. All right. So as we all know that during your third grade, in primary 3, you learn to multiply numbers such as 35 times 5, 5,000 times 7, 8,357 times 6, 600 times 80, and 638 times 37. So we can multiply any two numbers using the methods that you have learned. So let us look at some examples, okay? So here, example number 1. So we have A, B, and C, right? So for letter A, multiply 80 by 500. And then letter B, multiply 16,773 by 48. And letter C, find the product of 79 and 88,999. But before that, class, I have something to share. Hold on, just give me 1 second. I will show you something. Or just give me 1 second. All right, so class, take a look at this. So we have 6 multiplied by 5 equals 30, okay? So class, number 6 here, this is what you call multiplicand. All right, so 6 is called multiplicand. Can you say this word? Multiplicand.
Multiplicand.
Okay. And number 5 here is called multiplier.
Multiplier.
Okay. And the answer here, 30, is called product. Product.
Product.
Okay. So 6 and 5, or multiplicand and multiplier, they are called factors. Kaujay, do you understand? So multiplicand and multiplier, they are called factors. And the answer for the multiplication is called product. Do you understand? Okay,
Yes.
let me give you an example. All right, so let me give you an example. I'm going to write 5,000 multiply by 80. Okay, what do you call the number here? 5,000, what do you call? This is multiplicand. So that's multiplicand. All right, so 5,000 is called the multiplicand. It's at the top. And then 80 is called multiplier. multiplier, multiplier, okay? And the answer for this multiplication is called the product. Product. All right, and then multiplicand and multiplier, they are called factors. Okay, do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Okay, what do you call the number here at the top? What do you call the number here at the top? What do you call? Oh, what do you call? Multiplicand. Again, what do you call the number at the top?
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand, okay. And what do you call the number below?
Multiplier.
Okay. And what do you call multiplicand and multiplier? What do you call?
Product.
Which I? What do you call multiplicand and multiplier? Factors. And what do you call the answer?
Product. Products.
Product. Okay, do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's continue, class. So again, example number 1, we have A, B, and C. So let's start with letter A. So here's the solution for letter A. Count the total number of zeros in 80 and 5,000. So how many zeros in 80? How many zeros here? How many zeros in 80?
1 0
1. Okay, very good. And how many zeros in 5,000?
3
3. So if we're going to add the zeros, that's going to be 4. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 zeros, right? So here's the solution, class. So 80 multiplied by 5,000, that's going to be 400,000. So here's the thing. You just have to multiply first 8 and 5. So 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. So you have to write the 40 over here. And then just add the 4 zeros. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 80 times or multiply by 5,000 is equals to 400,000. Okay, do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay, can you try to multiply this? 70 by 6,000. Anyone?
Four 420,000.
All right, so first is we will multiply 7 by 6. So what is 7 multiplied by 6? Class, 7 multiplied by 6.
42.
Okay, that's 42. And how many zeros? 3.
4.
4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer is 420,000. Okay, another example. What about 90 multiplied by 3,000?
$220,000.
Again, Alpha?
270,000.
Okay, that's 270,000. So you just have to multiply 9 times 3, that's 27, right? And then just add 4 0. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay, now let's proceed to letter B, solution for letter B, step number 1. So you just have to multiply 16,773 by 1s in 48. So here we go. Again, what do you call this number? What do you call? What do you call this number at the top? You forgot, Law. What do you call this number?
Movie.
10,000.
No, what do you call this number? Mo alay. Ah, you forgot, Law.
Multiplicand.
Multiplicand. And what about 48?
Multiplier.
Okay, multiplier. And what about this one?
Product.
Okay. All right. So now let's continue. So we have 16,773 multiplied by 48. First is we have to multiply the ones, okay, which is 8. Multiply 8 to 16,773. So 8 multiplied by 3, that's 24. So you just have to write number 4 over here and then carry 2 at the top of number 7. And then 8 times 7, that's what? 7 times 8 or 8 times 7?
5, 56.
56 plus 2 plus 2.
58.
Okay, 58. So we write 5 here and 8 over here. Next, multiply 7 and 8. So that's 56
56.
plus 5. Plus 5.
61.
61. So we have 6 and 1. Next, multiply 8 and 6.
Goes 8.
48.
Yes.
Okay, plus 6. Plus 6.
54. 54.
54. So we write the 5 here and then the 4 over here. And then next, 1 multiplied by 8. So that's 8, right? And then plus 5, that's 13. So we write 13. So that's the step number 1. Now, step number 2, we will multiply this number by the tens in 48, which is 4. So first is 4 times 3. 4 times 3.
20.
20, Law.
12.
12. Okay, so we write the 2 over here and then carry 1. All right. Next step. Multiply 7 and 4. 4 times 7 or 7 times 4?
79.
29,
28.
Law. What is 7 multiplied by
20.
4. 28 plus 1, that's 29. So we put 9 over here and then carry the 2. All right, next, multiply 4 by 7, that's still 28, plus 2, that's 30. So write 0 over here and then carry the 3 at the top of number 6. And then 6 multiplied by 4. 6 times 4, 24 plus 3. Plus 3.
27.
27. So we put 7 over here and then carry the number 2. 4 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 1. That's 4 plus 2.
6.
Okay, so we put 6 here. So that's step number 2. Now let's proceed to step number 3. So after we multiply 16,773 multiplied by 48, so we will plus the product, okay? So we will plus the product now. So 4 plus 0, that's 4. 8 plus 2, that's 10. So we put the 0 over here and carry 1. And then 1 plus 9, that's 10. Plus 1, 11. So we put 1 over here and carry 1. So 4 plus 0, that's 4. Plus 1, that's 5. So 7 plus 3, 3 plus 7, that's 10. So we put the 1 over here. So 1 plus 6 is equals to 7 plus 1, that's 8. So the answer for 16,773 multiplied by 48 is 805,104. So this is the answer, the product. All right, do you understand? Yes or no? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Class, try to answer this one. What about 15,825 multiplied by 35? So 15,825 multiplied by 35.
553,875.
Oh, Alpha, that's very fast. Did you use calculator? Did you use calculator, Chaymai? Your answer is correct. Okay. 5, let's answer it now. 5 multiplied by 5, that's 25. Okay. And then we put the 2 over here. So 5 times 2, that's 10, plus 2, 12. Carry 1. 8 multiplied by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Plus 1, that's 41. Carry the 4. 5 times 5, that's 25. Plus 4, that's 29. And then carry 2. 5 multiplied by 1, that's 5. Plus 2, that's 7. Okay. Now, let's multiply this number by tens, which is number 3. So 3 multiplied by 5, that's 15. Carry 1. And then 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6, plus 1, that's 7. 3 multiplied by 8, that's 24, plus 1, 25. Carry 2. 3 multiplied by 5, that's 15, plus 2, that's 17. So we put the 7 here, and then carry 1 over here. So 3 times 1, that's 3, plus 1, 4. Okay, let's try to add the two products. So 5. So 2 plus 5, that's 7. 1 plus 7, that's 8. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 5, that's 14. Oh no. 8, 9. Wait, I think I'm wrong, class. Hold on. $5.25. Okay. Let's start all over. So 5 times 5, that's going to be 25. Carry 2. 5 times 2, that's 10. Plus 2, 12. Carry 1. 5 times 8, that's 40. Plus 1, 41. So 5. Hold on. So 5 times 5, that's 25. Plus 4, 29. Carry 2. 5 times 1, that's 5. Plus 2, that's 7.
7.
All right. So 3 multiplied by 5, that's 15. Carry 1. 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6. Plus 7. Plus 1, that's 7. And then 3 or 8 multiplied by 3, that's 24. Plus 1, 5. $25. All right. So carry 2 here. 3 multiplied by 5, that's 15. Plus 2, 17. And then carry 1. 3 multiplied by 1, that's 3. And then plus 1, that's 4. Now let's add 5. 2 plus 5, that's 7. 1 plus 7, that's 8. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 7 plus 7, that's 14 plus 1, 5. And then 4. Is it correct, class? Hold on, just give me 1 second. 15, let me use my calculator. 85 multiplied by 35. Oh, why my answer is wrong? Hold on.
Nisha.
No, thank you. All right, class, I will just multiply now here. 15,825 by 35, that's 553,872. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe I computed it wrong. Okay. All right, so now let's proceed to letter C. All right, so example or solution for letter C. Multiply 88,999 by ones in 79. So here's the equation, class. So 9 times 9 here. So you have to multiply first this number by ones in 79, and then after that, multiply the number by tens in 79, which is 7. So once you get the two product, which is this, so you just have to add this, so you can get the answer, which is 7,030,921. All right, so I guess you already understand this. So let me give you an example. Can you multiply this? 55,821 multiply by 54. All right, 55,821 multiplied by 54. What is the answer? Kunchai, what are you doing? Calculate this one. 55,821 multiplied by 54.
Two million foot.
Teacher me.
Okay, Pete, what's your answer?
2,954. 2,954. 234.
Again, 2 million.
2,954,000. 234. 34.
2,954,234. Wrong.
Teacher.
Who wants to
2
answer?
million. Teacher.
Who? Whom?
Teacher. Me.
Okay, Alpha. This one is wrong.
2,500,000 40,334.
2,540,334. Are you sure?
14,000.
Oh, 514.
Yes.
2,514,334. Wrong.
Okay, teacher. Teacher.
Okay, what's your answer, Pete?
3,040,334.
Okay, 3,014,334. Are you sure?
Teacher me.
Okay, the answer
Sure.
is correct. Pete, you've got the correct answer. 3,014,334. Very good. Okay, what about this one? 61,872 multiplied by 72.
Teacher me.
Okay, Alpha, what's the answer?
4,474,784. Ma'am.
Okay, again, Alpha. 4,400,000 alay. 400.
4,474,784.
The answer is wrong. It's incorrect.
Teacher me.
Okay, Pete, what's the answer?
556,384.
Oh,
It's a
hold on.
500.
Wait, hold on. I'm going to
Fine.
write first the problem. Hold on, Pete. Just give me 1 second na. Okay, what's your answer again, Pete?
556,384.
556,384. This one?
Yes.
It's wrong.
Show me.
Okay. Alpha.
4,454,784.
784. Again, 4,454,784. The answer is correct. Okay. All right, so I guess you already understand multiplication up to 10 million. All right, so kids, I think that's all for today. I'm going to give you a homework, okay? I will send it in your Google Classroom. All right? Okay, thank you, students.
Thank you.
Go.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.
See you next class.